MC Crouch Penny de ma this year war Pristia Huni Valley Western region your Dr. Isaac Dasmani and then what in some be out to just say afimu and yarahosam kase a bopini main ni tichu anyone a Appiatse no in ya how our assembly no one sika sem and then one way and kaidum and a penny din semi to say etuja
ene ye mfie baako a atoranchem kase esi ewo Appiatse ne senti MCE wo Pristia Huni Valley Dr. Isaac Dasmani Echedia. Wo first quarter no sika wo mo nsa ekaye no dwumedia na nkesese wo mo edidi no wo mo ejaye sanse na ho hia sa de hwe ya wo mo hwere wo mo de hye no magyapade no wo mo de sika no eboa wo mo na so nam Ghana de hye no bi aban ene ankorankora nyumakuo bi a eba wo nsere bembeboa wo mo nente no emu na de hye ya wo mo ho kaye ehia no wo mo etumi de nyina ema wo mo na dan yampanyefo gusu si ewo honom no ho dwumedia gusu a ekoso.
So yeah, first quarter ne dey because the incident is here next year manage at the same time next year to me so share ayare for no ansa na nkofo ba be so yasene nti the first quarter of the year ne dey na revenue no nti me anko ya man but the skadi na me kan no nipa ne kwan hia chenska nti no all the same no you to me manage won ye ne wo try ama ye pebebi mo try ama ye start say but fortunately nkofo be brave ma on be supporting and so na yetumi ni na up to now.
Enu achi Owura Louis Afo ya wono Nadmo coordinator be de akire Pristia Huni Valley enso kire modin ba wo mo de hyemu ene se de wo mo mani ekọ niam wo mo nsaka ye ho se de be ya dwumadi esese edi no ebetumi edi.
So Nadmo is the organization taking care of the whole disaster because it's our duty. We are the disaster management organization. So from day one, as it happened, me myself, I've been here with them from day one, and all their needs. Though we have challenges, but with the support of Ghanaians, we've been able to meet some of their needs and whatever they want. If we push it through the committee and it's available, they get it. So so far so good. Today marks the day 1 year, and it has not been easy because you won't get everything for them. So the little ones you have in the course of sharing is what you are supposed to witness it yourself. But God being so good to us, I think I'm very happy because handling a whole community with a population of 1,036 for a whole year is not easy.